Hello everyone, I am so lucky that Aubika supported me with another part of their VR environment. They gave me a rechargeable grip cover, kind of like the index controller style that everybody loves. You can get them in different variations. Future Jan here, there's a link in the description. There's actually two links. One for the UK Amazon and one for the US Amazon, with 15% off if you use the code crazylegsjan to buy these controllers. The discount ends the 31st of this month, so click the link in the description below and have 15% off. I have the VR cover on my controllers already, which I'm going to change out with the Aubika one, because as the name suggests, they have a rechargeable battery inside. So I quickly unboxed it before I made this video, but just to see what it is. It's a neat packaging, like upgrade your VR experience. These sleeves here, I'm not really sure, like I don't understand why we have package in a package, like a Aubika doll. Can we stop that? Just have the things in here, like have the graphics and all. Opening up the package. So we have a manual in the box. I'm going to use that, maybe. Then we have the actual controller, or not the controller, the sleeves for the controller. This one is the left one. But you are tying them down with this button system here. It's kind of hard to see. I will have some B-rolls on it. But you button down these buttons here and then they are snug and fit together. You have the strap here. When you pull it, you tighten the wristband, which is actually very, very good because I can fit my hand in them. For example, I have the left one here from VR cover, and I have barely any left here. I cannot get it on. It's not loose or anything. It's tight. I have a marker after I have them on. But with these controllers here, all the way out, it's all the way extended as much as they can, and there is air. Like, there's air between my hand and the wristband, which is amazing. I really like it, and it's also soft material. It's really nice and soft. So it's not like the VR covers where they are sucking to your hand. We have a USB cable, and this is actually nice because you have one USB A port, then you have two USB-C. It's nice because you only need one cable then. It's not as nice because you're splitting the power, so it takes a little bit longer to charge. I don't know how long it will take to charge, but quick math, there are 1000 milliamp batteries in here, in the controllers. And you charge with 200 milliamps per hour. That's 5 hours for a full charge. The other bag that the secondary sleeves is in. And lastly, the batteries, which is in a nice little plastic box here, and I love it. I love that they give you a little plastic box here to have the batteries in. I will take my right controller here because I already pulled it off the VR cover. Open the lid for the battery, remove this little, most likely anti-static thing. Take the right one, there are letters under the batteries. So battery, flat end with the letter against the text with the plus or minus sign here. Slide it in, maybe with a little bit force, and there we go. So it looks like this when it's in there. And then the right sleeve. That must be this one. So do you just slide it in here? Must be like this, right? It makes some slight bumps, knocks and crannies. But yeah, I think it's in there now. They make the controllers a little bit longer. Like, I know I have a sleeve on the other one too, but they are a tiny bit longer, which in my case it's not a bad thing. There, and it's buttoned up. There's a little button here that you press, and then you can extend the wrist strap. Put this on. There we go. It feels good. It feels good, and the extra length of the controller is actually great. It's fine. You plug in the charger in the bottom. I cannot see a light, so I highly doubt there is a light on the charging, if it's charging. I will put on the sleeve on the other controller, and then I will test it out. So I now used the controllers or the grips a fair bit, and I absolutely love them. There is one problem with them though, and that is if you have big hands like I do, then the strap there can be a little bit annoying to your hand. But other than that, the controllers are great. I'm sure I can find out a fix for it, but that's the only problem with them. That is not a big problem, but it's there. Thank you for watching this video here, guys. I really appreciate Aubika sponsoring me with these sleeves here for the Quest 2, Meta Quest 2. And also, thank you for supporting me in general, Aubika. I really appreciate it. So, if you like this video, guys, then be sure to check out this video here, where I'm testing out Aubika's rechargeable VR head strap. Bye!